Ever wonder what millionaires do when they travel? Spoiler alert, it is not just sipping champagne in first class. What if I told you they have bizarre secrets that make their travel smoother, brighter, and more fun? Stick around because these are not your usual fly private and stay at the Four Seasons tips. These are unexpected, strategic, and might blow your mind. Luxury travel secrets, 7 unexpected things millionaires do. 1. They do not book hotels. They book privacy. Millionaires do not stay places. They curate them. Instead of hotels, many opt for private, invite-only villas or ultra-exclusive homes through niche networks like Third Home or private brokers. There is no lobby, no check-in, and no front desk. But here is the kicker. They often trade properties with other wealthy travelers. Imagine house swapping. But it is a $10 million oceanfront estate in Bali for a penthouse in New York. Why? Because privacy is the ultimate luxury. Money buys access, not just upgrades. Stick around because in a moment we will talk about the weird ritual many millionaires do before boarding any flight. Number 2. They use shadow itineraries. Have you ever heard of a shadow itinerary? No? That is the point. Millionaires often have 2 travel plans, one real and one fake. The decoy is shared with assistants or even posted on social media. The real one? It's entirely under the radar. It is not paranoia, it is strategy. For high-profile CEOs and crypto whales, keeping their actual whereabouts hidden protects their time and safety. And yep, they have ghosted their assistants before. Number 3. They pre-ship their comfort packing? That is for peasants. Some millionaires pre-ship a custom travel trunk with their favorite sheets, snacks, wine, air purifiers, and shower heads. Why risk a stormy night's sleep when you can bring your entire bedroom vibe? If you had that kind of money, would you ship your pillow or your chef? Let us know in the comments. Number 4. They travel during the invisible hours, want to avoid crowds, delays, and paparazzi. Millionaires fly during what pilots call the invisible hours, typically between 11 p.m. and 4 a.m. Red eyes? Kind of. But instead of economy middle seats, it is all about quiet lounges, chartered jets, and sleeping through time zones. They usually book departure times to align with their biorhythm peaks. Yes, that is a real thing. But wait till you hear what some millionaires do right before boarding to shift their mindset into travel mode. Number 5. They have pre-flight rituals that sound cult-like. Tony Robbins plunges into a freezing pool. Some executives meditate in a sensory deprivation tank. One ultra-wealthy entrepreneur lights Palo Santo and sets a flight intention. It might sound woo-woo, but pre-flight rituals help them ground themselves, mentally and physically. It is not just mindset, it is about control. When your world moves at 300 mph, you create routines to feel human again. Number 6. They book empty legs. Have you ever flown private for the price of a commercial? Welcome to Empty Legs. Millionaires and savvy insiders book repositioning flights, private jets that need to fly somewhere anyway. They swoop in and grab seats at massive discounts, sometimes 80% off. It is like Uber Pool, if Uber Pool was a $20 million Gulfstream. And no, you do not need to be a billionaire to do it. Know the right apps. Stick around to the end. I will reveal one they do not want you to know about. Number 7. They travel to learn, not just escape. Here is the twist. Luxury travel is not always about indulgence. Many millionaires choose challenging destinations, such as silent retreats, survival expeditions, or indigenous mentorship trips. They are not flexing for Instagram. They are investing in perspective. One hedge fund manager spends 2 weeks a year in total digital silence in the Arctic, because clarity is the new currency for them. So which of these luxury travel secrets surprised you most? And want to learn the exact apps millionaires use to fly private, book villas, and get secret perks? Tap that subscribe button because we will reveal how to unlock luxury travel on a non-millionaire budget next week.